Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed about the cross product or vector product and what is the properties or some observations, some note points we discussed in previous class. Now, based upon cross product or vector product, we have to discuss the example problems. In this class, we will continue with the example problems and we will start exercise also. Exercise 9.4, total based upon cross product or vector product. So now you see, we will start with first example. Example 22. Find the magnitude of A bar cross B bar if A bar is a vector 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap and B bar is 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 2k cap. So now we have to find here, first of all, magnitude need means first this vector we need. A bar cross B bar is equal to component form is there. Component form is the cross product of all points by the determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. Write down the coefficients 2, 1, 3. B coefficients 3, 5, minus 2. So now determinant we have to find. I am expanding with respect to row 1. I cap into first row, first column remove. Cross multiplication minus 2 minus 15 minus j cap into minus 4 minus 9 plus k cap into k cap. How much you get? 5 2s are 10 minus 3 minus 3. So now A bar cross B bar is equal to this one minus 17 I cap minus 13 minus plus 13 j cap 10 minus 3 7 k cap 7 k cap. So now magnitude of A bar cross B bar minus 17 square plus 13 square plus 7 square. How much you get? 17 square 289 169 49. So total it will be 999 27 10 18 20 carry 2 total. Square root of 502 is the magnitude of A bar cross B bar. First we have to find the vector A bar cross B bar. Cross product compulsory always a vector. So that vector magnitude we have to find. So next problem number 23. Example 23. Find the unit vector. Unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A bar plus B bar, A bar minus B bar, where A bar is equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap, B bar equal to I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap. Before going to this problem, we'll see see the one vector A bar, another vector B bar. The perpendicular vector to both vectors is A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is the perpendicular vector for both vectors A bar and B bar. So now perpendicular unit vector will solve later. First perpendicular to these two vectors. Perpendicular to these two vectors we have to find. So solution is given A bar equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap b bar equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So now a bar plus b bar equal to I plus I 2i j plus 2j plus 3j k plus 3k 4k. A bar minus b bar we have to find. A bar minus b bar is I minus I, 0i. So no need to write I. J minus 2j minus j cap. K minus 3k minus 2k cap. So now a perpendicular vector which is perpendicular to two vectors. The vector which is perpendicular to both vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar is a bar b bar perpendicular vector a bar plus b bar. Here these two vectors perpendicular is a bar plus b bar cross product with a bar minus b bar. Just the cross product of two vectors is perpendicular vector to both vectors. By this concept only we are doing here. So now I cap, j cap, k cap, 2, 3, 4 coefficients. Here I is 0, j is minus 1, k is 2. So now simplify this one. I cap into minus 6 minus half minus 4 minus j cap into minus 4 minus 0 plus k cap into minus 2 minus 3 minus 0. Just a determinant transfer here. Determinant we are finding. Plus 4 minus 6. Plus 4 minus 6 is minus 2i. Minus into minus plus 4j. Minus into plus minus 2k cap. So this one, a vector perpendicular to these two vectors. But unit vector we need. Unit vector we need. So that's why this I am taking as a c bar. Say. This resulting, this vector, perpendicular vector I am naming as a c bar. Why? Because the required unit vector is plus or minus c bar by magnitude of c bar. Unit vector we are finding. Just plus or minus c bar by magnitude of c bar. Therefore, magnitude of c bar, how much you get? Magnitude of c bar is nothing but this one magnitude. You won't write always this total, just c bar and write it. So how much you get? Minus 2 square, 4 square, minus 2 square. 4, 16, 4, root 24. That is nothing but 2 root 6 we can write. You can write as a 2 root 6. Therefore, plus or minus the required unit vector is c bar minus 2 divided by 2 root 6 I cap. Separate and writing plus 4 by 2 root 6 j cap minus 2 by 2 root 6 k cap. So this is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6 I cap plus 2 by root 6 j cap minus 1 by root 6 k cap. So this is the unit vector unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. This one I am naming as a c bar. So that's a c I am writing, just that one. If you are not writing c, this you have to write all places. Next, example 24. Find the area of triangle having the points, 3 points are its vertices. Vertices they given. Find the area of triangle by using the vector concept. Directly also we can find, but we have to use here compulsory vector concept. So we have already node points vector, node points is there, area of triangle, area of parallelogram, node points is there. So first I will write here what they given. Given points A 1 1 1, B 1 2 3, C 2 3 1. So for example I am drawing here a diagram A B C. Area of triangle when two adjacent sides, any two adjacent sides if you know, we can find the area of triangle by using the vector concept. So two adjacent sides I am taking AB and AC, two vectors. So now I am finding first AB bar. AB bar is nothing but x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. That is equal to, this value is 0, so j cap plus 2k cap, j cap plus 2k cap. Next one, AC bar, another vector, two adjacent sides we are taking AC bar. AC bar is equal to 2 minus 1 I cap, 3 minus 1 j cap, 1 minus 1 k cap. So I cap plus 2j cap, I cap plus 2j cap is the AC vector. So now I will write that the area of triangle is 1 by 2 magnitude of two adjacent sides, AB bar, AC bar. So now what we have to find? AB bar cross AC bar first we have to find. AB bar cross AC bar is equal to I cap, J cap, K cap. AB coefficients. I is 0, J is 1, K is 2. I is 1, J is 2, K is 0. So now I will make the simplification here. I cap into 0 minus 4 minus j cap into 0 minus 2 plus k cap into 0 minus 1. So minus 4 I cap minus into minus plus 2 j cap minus k cap is the magnitude vector AB bar cross AC bar. So now we have to find the magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Minus 4 whole square plus 2 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. Corresponding coefficients, squares and root. That is only magnitude. 16 plus 4 plus 1, that is root 21. Therefore, the required area is 1 by 2 square root of 21. 1 by 2 into square root of 21 is the required area of triangle by forming these vertices. So next here, problem number 25. Find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors. Adjacent sides are given. So direct formula is there. If two adjacent sides, if you know, the area of parallelogram is magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Here 1 by 2 will be there. There 1 by 2 we have to remove just. So solution the area of parallelogram is magnitude of A bar cross B bar. That is on the area of parallelogram. So first I will find A bar cross B bar, I cap, J cap, K cap. Vectors is 3, 1, 4. 1 minus 1, 1. I cap into 1 minus half minus 4 minus J cap into 3 minus 4 plus K cap into minus 3 minus 1. So now simplify this one. 5 I cap minus 1 into minus plus J cap minus 4 K cap. Magnitude we have to find now. Magnitude of this vector is 5 square plus 1 square plus minus 4 whole square. 25 plus 1 plus 16. 25 plus 1 plus 16 is root 42. Root 42. So the required area of parallelogram is root 42. Next, we continue with the exercise problems. Exercise 9.4. Problem number 1. Find magnitude of A bar cross B bar if A bar equal to I cap minus 7 J cap plus 7 K cap and B bar equal to 3 I cap minus 2 J cap plus 2 K cap. Already just we discussed the example problem number 22. So similar problems we'll see here. Solution. A bar cross B bar first we have to find. That purpose determinant method I cap plus I J K coefficients 1 minus 1 minus 7 7 3 minus 2 and 2. I cap into cross multiply minus 7 into 2 is minus 14 minus half again minus 14 minus J cap into first row second column remove 2 into 1 is 2 minus 7 into 3 is 21 plus K cap into minus 2 minus half 7 3s are 21 minus 21. So now this value is 0 I cap plus 14 minus 14 is 0 I cap, right, if doubt is the right, 0 I cap minus 19 into minus plus 19 J cap plus 21 minus 2 plus 21 minus 2 19 K cap. Therefore magnitude of A bar cross B bar is square root of 0 square plus 19 square plus 19 square. I can write this one as a 19 square, 2 19 squares is there. So 19 root 2. We can write directly this one 19 root 2. Next one. Number 2. Problem number 2. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar, where A bar is a one vector, B bar is another vector given. So example number 23 we discussed. Same to same, this problem also we have to do in that way. So solution, direct I am writing here. The unit vector is there first. The perpendicular vector, I am writing the perpendicular vector to A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. First I will find the perpendicular vector, then I will find the unit vector. Already we discussed example 23. Similar way, A bar plus B bar cross of A bar minus B bar. I cap, J cap, K cap. So what is the A bar plus B bar? A bar plus B bar coefficient is 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 minus 2, 0. Next, subtraction. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus of minus, plus 2, 4. So now, you can make the simplification of this one. I cap into 16 minus 0 minus J cap into 16 minus 0 plus A cap into 0 minus 8. 16 I cap minus 16 J cap minus 8 K cap. This one I am taking as a C bar. C. Why? Because we need the unit vector. Therefore, the required unit vector C bar by magnitude of C bar. So magnitude of C bar. How much you get magnitude of C bar? 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square. That is 256 plus 256 plus 64. How much you get this one? Total is you have 576. 576 is nothing but 24. Square root of 576 is 24. Therefore, answer is plus or minus you have to mention. Why? Because negative also may be perpendicular, positive also perpendicular. Plus or minus you have to write it equal to plus or minus 16 by 24 I cap minus 16 by 24 J cap minus 8 by 24 K cap. 8 to the 8 3 the 8 to the 8 3 the 8 1 the 8 3 the. So answer is plus or minus 2 by 3 I cap minus 2 by 3 J cap minus 1 by 3 K cap is the required unit vector which is perpendicular to both of the vectors A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. Next, problem number 3 in exercise. If a unit vector A bar makes an angle with pi by 3 with I cap, pi by 4 with J cap and acute angle theta with K cap, you have to find this theta value and the components of A bar. So first I write that given things are right, given magnitude of A bar is equal to 1 first. Why? Because it is a unit vector. Magnitude of A bar equal to 1 and A bar makes angles pi by 3 with I cap, pi by 4 with J cap, theta with acute angle theta with K cap. You have to find the theta value. So that purpose, I write first component form that A bar is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. So now, cos alpha formula, alpha is here pi by 3, alpha makes angle with I cap, x axis. So pi by 3, formula is A bar by magnitude of A bar. A1 by coefficient divided by magnitude. So what is the coefficient here? Cos pi by 3, 60 is 1 by 2 is equal to coefficient A1 only. We don't know the A1 value. We have to find that A1 also. So magnitude of A bar is 1. It implies A1 is equal to 1 by 2. So why? Because here magnitude of A bar is 1. Why? Because it is a unit vector. Next, cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is equal to second coefficient coefficient by magnitude of a bar. Next cos pi by 4 is root 1 by 2, a2 by 1, that implies a2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Next cos theta is equal to a3 by magnitude of a bar, implies a3 is equal to cos theta. a3 is equal to cos theta. Why? Because magnitude of a bar is 1. So now this take as a 1. 1 implies magnitude of a bar is 1. Magnitude of a bar is 1. What is the magnitude of a bar? This value square root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square is equal to 1. So all values you know, substitute here. 1 by 2 square plus 1 by root 2 square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus this value, how much you get? 3 by 4. That is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So that is nothing but cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. That is nothing but cos pi by 4. Pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3. And the corresponding components also asking. I am writing here. Components is nothing but a1. a1 is 1 by 2. a2 is 1 by 2. a3 is again 1 by 2. Cos theta is a3. So a3 is 1 by 2. So components of the vector is this one. And the angle, acute angle. Acute means less than 90 degrees. That is nothing but here 60 we are getting. So next problem number 4. Show that a bar minus b bar cross product with a bar plus b bar. The resultant answer is 2 into a bar cross b bar we have to show. First I take the LHS part. A bar minus b bar cross of a bar plus b bar. I'll do the cross product here. A bar cross of a bar plus a bar cross of b bar minus b bar cross of a bar minus b bar cross of b bar. Distributive property applied. Otherwise direct also. Distributive property also we can apply. Otherwise write here clear purpose. A bar minus b bar cross of a bar plus a bar minus b bar cross of b bar. Like this also we can write. Next step we can do same similarly. So now a bar cross a bar we have already 0 bar plus a bar cross of b bar. This one I am interchanging minus a bar cross b bar. B bar cross B bar, same vector says the cross product is 0. So here interchanging making, so that's why negative you will get it. Minus into minus plus. So total it will become 2a bar cross B bar. This is the RHS part. Hence prove. So by this problem, the class completed. In remaining some problems if there in exercise, we will continue in the next class. Thank you.